Printed circuit board surface finishes and their effects on solderability and reliability. When designing a printed circuit board, selecting the right PCB surface finish is essential to ensure the reliable soldering of components. Different types of PCB surface finishes have different effects on solderability and reliability. The PCB designer and manufacturer should understand the different finishes available and how to use them to maximize the performance of the PCB. We will discuss here the different types of PCB surface finishes available, their effects on solderability and reliability, and tips for selecting the best finish for your project. Choosing the best surface finish for your application requires careful consideration of several factors. By understanding the properties and benefits of different surface finishes and how they align with your specific needs, you can make a good decision. The different types of PCB surface finishes. There are several types of surface finishes to choose from, each with its unique characteristics and benefits. 1. HASA, hot air solder leveling. This is one of the oldest and most commonly used surface finishes. It involves applying a layer of molten solder to the surface of the PCB and then flattening it using a hot air leveling process. HASA provides a durable and cost-effective surface finish, but it may not be suitable for fine-pitch components. It has some disadvantages such as the formation of solder balls and their thickness, which can cause issues with fine-pitch components. 2. INIG. Electroless nickel immersion gold. INIG is a popular surface finish for high-density PCBs with fine-pitch components. It involves depositing a thin layer of nickel on the surface of the PCB, followed by a layer of gold. INIG offers excellent corrosion resistance and solderability, but it is more expensive than other surface finishes. 3. OSP, organic solderability preservatives. OSP is a thin organic coating applied to the surface of the PCB to protect it from oxidation and other environmental factors. OSP is a cost-effective option in this case, but it may not be as durable as other surface finishes. 4. Immersion tin. This surface finish involves depositing a thin layer of tin onto the surface of the PCB. Immersion tin offers good solderability and can be an affordable option for certain applications. However, it may not be suitable for PCBs with high temperature requirements. 5. Immersion silver. This surface finish involves depositing a thin layer of silver onto the surface of the PCB. Immersion silver offers excellent solderability and is a popular option for high-speed PCB designs. However, it can be more expensive than other surface finishes and may not be as durable in harsh environments. Each type of PCB surface finish has its unique advantages and disadvantages. When selecting a surface finish for your PCB design, consider factors such as the type of PCB components, the operating environment, and the cost. The effect of surface finish on solderability. The surface finish of a PCB can have a significant impact on the solderability of the components and the overall reliability of the board. In this section, we will take a closer look at how different surface finishes can affect the solderability of PCBs. First, you must understand that the surface finish of a PCB refers to the thin layer of material that is applied to the copper pads on the board's surface. This layer is essential because it protects the copper from oxidation, corrosion, and other forms of damage. You would see that HASA leaves behind a thick layer of solder on the surface, which can be difficult for small components to bond with and can also lead to uneven solder joints. Moreover, the excess solder can also create short circuits and reduce the board's overall reliability. In contrast, the electroless nickel immersion gold, INIG, surface finish has become increasingly popular in recent years due to its ability to provide excellent solderability and reliability. INIG provides a flat surface for components to bond with. The gold layer is also non-corrosive and has a high resistance to wear and tear. On the other hand, immersion silver offers good solderability and a relatively low cost compared to INIG. However, silver is more prone to tarnishing and can cause problems with the board's reliability over time. The effect of surface finish on reliability. The choice of surface finish can significantly impact the longevity and overall performance of the PCB. The surface finish of a PC board can affect its ability to resist corrosion. Certain surface finishes, such as gold or silver, provide excellent corrosion resistance, ensuring that the PCB remains protected even in harsh environments. On the other hand, some finishes like Hussar are prone to corrosion, which can lead to the failure of the circuit board. The surface finish can impact the electrical performance of the PCB. Some surface finishes have low electrical resistance, which can help to minimize signal loss. Conversely, finishes that have higher electrical resistance can lead to signal distortion and reduced performance. So, you should consider the electrical requirements of your PCB when selecting a surface finish. The surface finish can also impact the mechanical durability of the PCB. Certain finishes, such as immersion gold, provide a thin and uniform layer that is less likely to crack or peel during thermal cycling. Other finishes, like OSP, are more susceptible to wear and tear, which can lead to damage to the circuit board. Overall, the choice of surface finish for your PCB can have a significant impact on its reliability and performance. By understanding the strengths and weaknesses of each type of finish, you can choose the right finish for your specific application and maximize the longevity and reliability of your circuit board. How to choose the best surface finish for your application. Now that we have covered the different types of surface finishes and their properties, it's time to discuss how to choose the best surface finish for your specific PCB application. Here are some factors to consider. 1. Environment. The first thing to consider is the environment in which the PCB will be operating. If it has to work in a harsh or high-temperature environment, you may want to choose a surface finish that is more durable and resistant to corrosion, such as INIG or OSP. 2. Cost. Different surface finishes have different costs, so you need to consider your budget in this case. Hussar is the most affordable option, while gold finishes tend to be more expensive. 3. Solderability. As discussed earlier, you should consider the solderability of the surface finish. Some finishes, such as OSP, require a longer preheat time, while others may require the use of special solder pastes or fluxes. Make sure the surface finish you choose is compatible with your soldering process. 4. Compatibility with other materials. If you have to assemble the PCB with other components or materials, make sure that the surface finish is compatible with them. For example, some finishes may react negatively with certain solders or coatings. 5. Electrical properties. Finally, you need to consider the electrical properties of the surface finish. Some finishes, such as gold or silver, offer better conductivity, while others may cause increased resistance. Ultimately, the choice of surface finish will depend on your specific requirements. If you are unsure which finish is best for your project, you can consult with a professional PCB manufacturer who can guide you through his expert advice. FAQs. What are common PCB surface finishes? Some popular surface finishes of printed circuit boards include HSL, hot air solder leveling, OSP, electroless nickel immersion gold, INIG, organic solderability preservatives, immersion silver, and immersion tin. What is the benefit of Hussar? Hussar is one of the most popular surface finishes due to its versatility. Hussar provides good solderability and is suitable for most applications. What is the benefit of using INIG for PCB? Enaig is corrosion resistant and provides a flat surface that is perfect for fine pitch components. What is the benefit of using immersion silver for PCB? Immersion silver offers excellent conductivity and is ideal for RF applications. Which PCB surface finish is cost-effective? HSA is the most affordable surface finish for printed circuit boards. Final thoughts when designing a printed circuit board. One of the most important factors to consider is the selection of the right surface finish. This is because different surface finishes can significantly affect the solderability and reliability of the finished PCB. Choosing the right surface finish for your PCB can have a significant impact on its solderability and function. Some finishes, like Enaig, provide excellent solderability and are preferred for applications that require a high degree of reliability. Other finishes, like OSP, can be more difficult to solder and may require extra steps to ensure proper adhesion. While there are several options available, Enaig has become a popular choice due to its excellent performance and long-term durability. Ultimately, it's essential to consider your application's specific requirements and choose a surface finish that meets those needs. Would like to know more about the PCB surface finishes or PCB assembly? Write us at sales@nconline.com keyword